Today I'm taking the Yinker 15.6-inch dual screen extender. Okay, so it does come with a carrying case, and this one actually has a zipper on it. So it has a very nice soft, like velvety material on there, and it does have a cushion as well. We have a user guide, and that is in full color. We got a quick start guide, and we have got our display. So this one kind of folds up a little bit more interesting. This folds up in kind of a Z pattern. So very interesting design there. We do have some rubber tabs right here to protect the laptop. Something kind of interesting, we actually put the buttons right here on the face rather than on the sides or on the back. So you can actually easily access these buttons. Something else that's kind of interesting, the ports are actually accessible from the front as well as the back. So they put it right here in the side of the cutout. And it's definitely something you do not normally see. So those are both USB-C ports. Looks like they put a clear protective plastic here on the back. So just like a transparent shield. And we also have a kickstand so we can set that guy up. So I can go at quite an angle, and that does have rubber feet there on the bottom. So we have USB-A to USB-C, and that actually has a 90-degree angled adapter. And this one actually comes with a power supply, so you don't have to rely on the power supply of your laptop, and this can run independently of that. So it's good for 100 or 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and that puts 3 amps at 5 volts. And that's just a USB-A port, so we could plug our cable into there and plug that into the display. And this is for connecting to our laptop. So these are both USB-C ports. Again, we got that 90-degree plug. And this also comes with a USB-A adapter. So if we don't have USB-C on our laptop, we can use this. So we can still plug this into our laptop. And it looks like it came with a USB stick. I'm guessing this has our drivers on it. That is actually a very nice USB stick. Look at that. I'm going to be keeping that one. And this is something that's kind of interesting. This actually has what they would call triangular mode. That's something, like I've dealt with a lot of extenders. I've never seen one that is actually capable of that. This one is because of their hinge design. So on most extenders, the displays will only go back so far. Basically, they would go up maybe a little bit further than that and then stop. But these actually have the capacity to bend all the way around. So for example, if you're doing some kind of a conference and you had your laptop right here, you didn't want to have everybody sitting behind you, they could all sit comfortably in their own chairs and they could see exactly what you're doing if you were duplicating your screen. So interesting. That's definitely a first for me. This laptop uses Thunderbolt 3, so I'm going to see if I can run that entire thing just from one cable. So I'm going to use my USB-C to USB-C, and I'm going to plug that into the USB port in the side. And that does just fit between a 17-inch laptop. I'm going to plug in this single cable into my Thunderbolt 3 port, and if that picks that up, great. If not, we're going to use power. So far, it looks like it is powering all the displays just with that one cable. Okay, looks like I just had to give it a minute. So there we go. So currently it is on duplicate. And those are actually some really nice looking monitors. I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna go to display settings. And instead of duplicate, we're gonna go to extend. Okay, keep changes. Now we can see we got our main display here in the center. And then it's got 3 on the left. So I'm gonna put that on the right and put 2 on the left. And apply. Okay, so now I can take this, I can drag it from one side to the other, and that just works like a fully extended desktop. So there we go. I usually use dual screen, but it's nice having that triple screen option. I can do my work here, I can watch videos over here, I can even use this one as a monitoring window instead of having to put that in the same program. Lots of different options. Once you go with 2 screens, it's hard to ever go back. Going to 3 screens just makes it that much better. And these things look awesome. It's very nice that we actually have the capacity to plug in both screens with one plug. That way I'm not taking up my USB real estate. That's something that this triple screen extender can do that most others cannot. Most of them have their own separate cable for each display. We do got independent menus for each display. So if we want to adjust contrast, brightness, etc., we can do that. And we can shut these guys off without having to unplug anything. So yeah, overall, that is an excellent extender.